In this video, you'll learn how to add and use the Perplexity AI extension in Chrome. First, open the Google Apps menu and select Password Manager. This helps you get familiar with Chrome's app navigation, though the next steps focus on adding extensions. Next, open the Chrome Web Store and type your search in the top bar. Once you confirm the search, you'll quickly find the Perplexity extension. When you click Add to Chrome, you'll see a confirmation prompt. Simply cancel here if you are just checking permissions and don't want to install yet. Then, open the Extensions menu and click the Overflow button beside Perplexity to view more options, or pin it for quicker access. Now, open the Perplexity panel and click into the Ask Anything field to type your first question. This is how you begin a new interaction with the AI. After you submit your question, the AI responds instantly. Click the Answer area to explore or highlight content for reference. If you click the toolbar icon, the sidebar will reopen at any time. You can click into the prompt field, type a new question, and send it to receive another answer. Interact with responses to review details or easily copy information. To explore features, open the extension again, click the Focus option, or start typing another query without leaving your browsing session. Finally, open the Bookmarks side panel to multitask, or click into Answers to quickly retrieve, copy, or review the AI's latest suggestions. You now know how to install and use Perplexity AI in Chrome.